What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. So on my previous video, someone asked a very important question and I thought I'd answer it just in case it's helpful for you guys. I'm not too sure. So this question was brought to us by Jessica Allison, and she said, how do people pay you? Do you do it all through PayPal or an app? And like I said, I think that's a really important question when it comes to getting payments for these rugs or whatever it is. So to answer that, I get paid through everything. People ask for my Zelle, people ask for my Cash App, people ask for my Venmo, people give me cash. And the way I basically go about it is someone messages me on Instagram, Twitter, whatever it is, whatever it may be, and they ask me, hey, can you do a rug for me? Can you do this? Can you do that? So after talking on what they want, how long it will take, what colors, what the price will be, so on and so forth, what I usually do now, I mean, if this is helpful for you guys and you guys trust people, go for it. I'm a very trustful person. Put it this way, I have a lot of faith in people being nice. There has been times where I've done a whole entire project and I don't even get paid until I give it to them, whether it's a rug, whether it's video or photography, whatever it may be. Now, this only happens when it's someone that is either my friend or a friend's friend, someone that I could at least go back to and say, hey, what's up with your friend? How come he hasn't paid me? That has, whatever it may be. So I do that. Now, that's not a very good thing to do, only because obviously you never know what could happen. But lately, what I've been doing is I ask for half of the down payment. I'll get started on the rug, finish it, get it all done. Once it's all done, I ask for the second payment and then I ship it. And if I don't ship it, I meet with the person in person, obviously. Oh my God, someone's calling me. Hello. All right, let me finish filming this video. Give me like 3 minutes, 2 minutes. All right, bye. All right, so that was my friend Alex. They invited me to go to Dodger Stadium earlier and I went, and then we agreed to go out and get a drink. I don't want to go, but I guess, whatever. So let me go back to my story. So what I do now is I ask for half of the down payment. I get the job done, whatever it is, meet with them in person, get the second half, whether it's in cash or through Zelle or through Venmo or Cash App. And then same thing with photography. I do that. Usually with photography, I get paid all at once the day after I arrive to the event, or I get paid after I send the video in. But for that stuff, it's people that I work with and I'm more, I have more trust in them, so I know I'm gonna get paid regardless. When it comes to new people, I don't really do that. I usually just ask for the payment right after the gig, and they just have to trust me that I give them their project, their work, their whatever it may be. So yeah, that's that. Now, the reason why I don't use PayPal, and if I'm wrong, please correct me, but this is what I've heard in the past. I haven't done any research, to be honest with you, but I heard apparently that if you do payments through PayPal, that you're able to get your money back. So for example, say someone messages me and says, hey, can I pay you through PayPal? And I say yes, whatever the transaction happens, I give them the rug or whatever it may be, and they could file and say that it was fraud or whatever it may be and get their money back from their bank. Now, that's the main reason why I don't take PayPal. Now, I may be wrong and I'm not too sure. So if I'm wrong, please correct me. But yeah, I've never taken any payments through PayPal just because of what I've heard in the past. Now, like I said, I don't know if that's true, so don't come at me if I'm wrong. But yeah, I don't take payments through PayPal. Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, or cash is what I take. And yeah, now as far as when it comes to like, I've heard stuff about like taxes, this and that, like, if you make a certain amount of money, you get taxed. I've heard both sides. I heard you do, and I heard you don't. Obviously, I'm not making like hundreds of thousands. I'm not making more than 10,000. I mean, at least I haven't made more than 10,000 so far with rugs. So yeah, I really won't be able to tell you much about that tax stuff, if they tax you from those apps, so on and so forth. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful. So yeah, let me know what else, like I said before, let me know what else you guys want to know. Any questions, throw them at me, message me on Instagram. Like I said, follow me on Instagram at 95shoots. Like I said, once again, my rugs are still for sale. They're back there. So get them off my hands, please. I'm trying to get rid of them. And my commissions are still open. So if you guys are interested in a rug, message me on Instagram, message me below, email me, message me on Twitter, whatever it may be, get at me and I will do a rug for you. Yeah, like I said, I've been really busy, so I'm trying my best to get these rugs in, but stick with me. These videos will come out. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Open the car.
Open the door.
Open the fucking door.
Open the
What's up?
door. Hi.
Where are we going?
We're going to Dina.
What is Dina?
Pasadena.
Bicyclist, hold on. Don't fucking kill nobody. I'm put my seatbelt on. Alright, so where I live, the entrances are very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. I don't know if you guys can tell, but no, yeah. Go. Very dangerous. And people crash all the time. And Alex, let's just say she's not the best driver out there. So.
I am the best driver.
So now that we're safe on the freeway, I guess a little cinematic footage of heading over there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Rockstar running around like the Beatles. John Legend, we ain't ordinary people. Watch her move her.
What the fuck are you doing, dude?
He's trying to record. Oh, I'm sorry. I hadn't got that in a while.
Look who it is. Look who it is. It's alive.
Ooh,
What
bring out
happened
the
to you,
bottle.
dude?
Where are the drinks at?
So just to let you guys know, if you guys don't know, this man here was my road dog back in the day, you know, back in the college days.
Pandemic.
But the pandemic hit. This guy grew up. He's not about that life anymore.
It only took a pandemic, but
And yeah, let's just say a couple things have changed, but you'll see him a little bit more often here and there. Shots?
hell yeah.
Alright, shots time. Let's go.
Let's get one. For old times.
I'm not an alcoholic anymore.
What did we get here, buddy? What's this right here?
Old fashioned, baby.
What is that, whiskey?
Bourbon.
Oh,
Got
bourbon.
that bourbon.
A little, what is that?
A martini.
Alex said, I need a tampon because I got a fucking corona. I don't know if I told you, or I don't know if you've noticed, finally got paid from YouTube.
Oh, I saw that. I did
So
see
that's the
that.
main reason why I'm vlogging, because
Yeah, yeah. We get paid, then we get laid.
so that'd be insane. See, we think alike for sure. So you can see us a lot saying a bunch of dumb shit. Don't take it literal. We just see a lot of stupid shit. So
Yeah, it's not
get
real,
paid,
man.
get laid. Get paid, get laid.
70% talk, 30% walk, baby. Hell yeah.
No, it's like 90% talk and 10% walk with you guys.
I don't know. Damn, dude. Yours makes mine look stupid. Fuck, I should have got that. You already finished your food.
Didn't even wait.
Well, it was an appetizer.
I was about to bite this, but I didn't want to.
Are you sure gonna get something else?
We were sure. Nah, yeah.
That's it?
Earn us out of fries. Honestly.
Hey, look who it is. What the hell? Oh, my bad. You live in Pasadena now. Oh.
the housewarming.
Hey, this
guy's just walking around.
You're going around the neighborhood, walking around or what?
Neighborhood watch.
He's like, you're not a local.
Love you.
Who do you love?
My mom.
I knew you were gonna say that. I knew you were gonna say that.
What up? Hey, dog, all I gotta do is walk down the alley right here.
Oh shit, bougie. So a quick little story. I guess 2 years ago. Was it 2 years ago? 2 years ago, some guy tried to fight me walking down the street. My boy gave him the. He gave him the.
I punched that fool.
Boom! Right on the forehead.
Man, didn't
The
hurt
guy
him,
ripped
though.
my shirt. I don't know who he was, but he just fucking attacked me out of
He was
nowhere.
hating, 'cause we had the bitches.
He thought I was trying to dance. He thought I was dancing on his girlfriend, which I wasn't.
Little did you know I
I wasn't. I swear I wasn't. Like none of us were dancing with anybody. We were dancing, but not dancing with anyone. And my boy came to the rescue with the whooping. Good times, good times. You know, if you're from Pasadena or you go to Pasadena, you know that there's fights all the time.
And we were in them. We were part of it.
I mean, yeah, I guess you could say. So we just finished eating. I didn't record anything, and now we're heading home because the night is over. I got work tomorrow at 5 a.m. and yeah, I think that's it. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow or on the next video. With that being said, peace.